Hello, guys. Welcome back to this channel. I'm doing this the third time, and not your fault, my fault, because I didn't. So, okay, this is from today. So, I'm doing this is on its natural course. Um, Another day, Thursday, and we're back. We're back. We're back. We're back with trading, and we're back with losses. I've had, like, since I've opened this account, most of my days have been big, big losses. But today was a little different. Today was a loss day, yes, but it was a different loss day. How? Let me show you. So, first, let me show you my equity curve. So, my total profit and loss for this whole funded account is minus $400. Look at this. Look at this. Small green days, but boom, boom, boom. Red days, red days, red days. Very, very bad red days. Feels bad. Feels really bad. Because the market, it's not just like it's not completely my fault. I know that, but majority, like I would say 70% is my fault, but 30% is market fault. I would have never said it, but the way market has been these days, it's really hard. But again, that's the nature. That's how the market is. And today, the day was another $130 loss. So my month is $300, and my previous month, because I started on Wednesday, is $98 loss. So I'm sitting at $400 loss. Same thing as yesterday. Stairs. Now I did stop here, but another setup came in which looked really, really nice, and I'll go over my trades. Let me just open them and I'll show you this. Took four trades, volume was okay. 0% win rate. Zero. Oh my god. I should have stopped trading over here, which I did, but I'll show you why I took this trade. I didn't honor the rule I made, which was like $100 max. I took one more trade, which was bad. I shouldn't have done it. I'll show you everything. I'm keeping myself accountable. And I've made another rule today, because yesterday I took a lot of trades which weren't even my trade books. Now I will only stick to two trade books, which is genuinely my only trade book, and I thought I'll be trading only those. Viva breakout breakdowns or pre-market breakouts in 932 times. So earlier I used to do, so these random trades yesterday happened because I was taking them at random time. And my first strategy said, when I made it, was that the first 3 minutes it should do it. But then I looked at my stats and I looked at everything and I found that 9:32 is the time when they work the best. That's why I'm just sticking to the best A quality setups, and I'm not going to trade any other. Psychology was messed up. The reason it was messed up is because I had the max loss day, $250 loss yesterday, and the first trade was another loss. The second trade was another loss, and then I was like, oh my god, this is not working. And I literally thought, am I even going to be a trader? Like, this is just not working. And let me show you the trades from today. 0% win rate is really, really bad. So this is the first trade, and the first trade is not even in my trade book. I like, when I, I was so eager to take this trade, and I was so eager that, oh, I'm gonna get into this move early and I'm gonna get the big, big wins. And you're such a fucking asshole, Ashish. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? YouTube, you wanna demonetize? Demonetize. I don't give two fucks about this. Like, what the hell, man? Buy over here. Like, why the fuck would you buy here? What is the reason you fucking. Oh my god. Let me show you the reason. Okay. I shouldn't go so hard. So, what I was trying to do here was, this is not even my strategy. I was doing a rising angel. So, this fell like. The stock was going up in pre-market. The move was definitely bullish. It goes down, tests the VWAP, and boom, goes back as an engulfing and all that. I should have waited for engulfing because that is much cleaner. But it didn't happen, and I took my first loss in the first minute. And look at this. In the first 14 seconds, I went in. Another 14 seconds, I was out. $30. Well, good thing is that I did not take any of the trades with full size because I wasn't confident. And there you go, second PLTR short. Now um this was hard. Honestly, I heard someone took PLTR short, and because my psychology was messed up, I just took it. I was like, fuck it. I'm gonna take it. And that I shouldn't have done it. So these two trades which I showed you are not even in my playbook, and I took them and I had big losses, bad losses. So yeah, this was a bad trade again. So this again, see, I took a trade which is not even in my playbook. I was looking at the price action, and it clearly, like if you look at just this, it clearly looks like a short, and that's what I, you know, took. But that's the thing, this is not my trade book, Ashish. Why are you taking these trades? And I had a little large stop loss just in case it reverses, but yeah, another loss. And over here, I thought, I'm just gonna stop trading. I'm not in my best mindset. But then I saw Tesla, and I was like, okay, this is the last trade, and I'll tell you why. Now, just look at this. Just look at this. This is where I got out. Again, look at it right here. This is where I got out. See, the days like this makes you just feel like market is working against you. But the reality is market doesn't even know you exist. But this is so bad. Oh my god. Like, oh my god. So this would have given me a break even or a green day. This move, I calculated everything. I had the stop loss, I had everything planned, and this was an easy 2 hour trade. But it stopped me out right at the edge. Still hurts, but again, one thing which I'm good at is to take the stop losses to let them hit, because this is the best thing to do. And I've had another loss. So I went long over here. So this was doing a very nice bullish engulfing pattern. And this was the playbook as well. Why? Because this was a VWAP breakout. So VWAP was like around here or here somewhere. So it touched the VWAP, did the confirmation, then over here. This was another confirmation. So I thought, okay, this is another confirmation. I added to my position because it was showing, it was bouncing again and again. And over here, it went just to the VWAP. Now, right when it opened, it went high. No, actually, not right high. First, it went a little higher, and then boom, it stops me out. Yes, that is what happened. And I did not even look at what happened later because I was so devastated. I was like, oh my God, like, is this even for me? Am I even a trader? Like, what is happening? And it was hard. I went back and I looked at this whole move. And when I saw this whole move, yep, it was hard because 2 hour, I had my thought that it would go to 455. It went to like 54.50, so 50 cents less, but I really thought, this is a nice area for it to be. If I would have taken this trade, I would have taken my first partial here, second, third partial, and then like this would have already given my 70% of the position because I was gonna take heavy partials because I was at loss. And over here, I would have started added. I would have added for it to break even higher, which it didn't. But I would have at least gone break even on this trade or small red day. So right now it's 130. This would have easily brought it to like $40, 40 or $50. I do not have enough room anymore to play with this. Let me see how Tesla did the entire day. Look at this. Whatever, man. I do not have room anymore to play with it because minus 400, my max I can take is another 150 and I'll be gone. My so my it's not exactly 150 actually. I have another 250, but I do not want to make myself make my account go through that again because it's mentally, emotionally really bad and it's really hard to cope up with that. So if I check my win and loss days, look at this. I have total $600 in loss. This is really bad. I, as you can see, I do stop out right when it stops and my winning trades are higher. So this is nice, but what does it mean that my winning trades are I hold them, but I still have a low winning days. Average winning trade is 25, and average losing trade is let me just bring average losing trade is almost double. So that means that I'm not taking high quality setups. I'm taking bad trades, and I'm taking more of the losing trades. As you can see, where's the yeah, it's not good. My yeah profit factor loss like 178 versus $600 of loss. This is really, really bad. So my losing days are clearly really big. If this would have been reversed, this is how it was earlier. I have no idea what my just whole my mentality and everything is just messed up right now. This used to be different. Like this used to be the winning days, $600 and just $200 loss. That is such a nice case scenario, but I guess it is what it is. So as you can see, these are just these are the PNL by minute, and as you can see, there's only 1 minute which I took one trade 931. Rest all the days are just bad. Yep. 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 Wednesdays are the 2 days which I've had such the bad uh trading. So yeah, I mean, good thing is there's still these trading days left. Now, if I stick to the position and I stick to my strategy and I even have, let's say, an average $50 profit day, 50, 50, 50, which is way less than my daily profit target, but let's say it's just 50. Let me pull up the calculator. I actually don't need a calculator. Come on, man. I'm Indian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 5, 10. So 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 into 5, I actually might need a calculator. Oh god. I don't want to waste your guys' time, or I would have calculated it. 19 into 5. Come on, man. Oh man, my psychology is messed up right now. 95. So $950. $950 minus 300. This still gives me a bad month, but this would mean I'd still have $650 as a profit loss and minus $100 from, so I would be $550 in profit, which is nice, which is really, really nice. I'm not gonna lie. $550 for the month as a beginner trader who is right now, as you can see, I'm struggling. So this would be good. This would bring my account back and I could take big risks. But right now, I just cannot afford it because first week has given me such a bad P&L that it's really hard. So I'm gonna trade tomorrow and I'm gonna see how it goes. Um, Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I can learn from my mistakes and I hope I can make uh, good decisions from now on. I hope I take the quality trades and do not trade stuff like this because let me clear this. I'm gonna talk to myself now. So I am only going to trade the VWAP breakouts and pre-market level breakouts. Only the 2 minutes, which is 9:31 and 9:32. That's it. These two are the only trades I'll be trading from now on. VWAP breakout, so VWAP breakout from up, VWAP breakout from down, breakdown, or pre-market level breakouts. That's it. Any other like price action or like whatever I think, oh, this is gonna go there. This no, hoping is not a strategy. Do not do this. It is gonna end up in days or months like this, which you just saw. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.